After every significant conversation, not every conversation, you guys know what the significant ones are. The purpose of this email is to summarize my understanding of the current situation, capabilities needed, and next steps in blank. Solving the problem or achieving the result that they want to achieve. Current situation. You guys are growing by X%. You've had a difficult time hiring programmers. The last batch of programmers were unqualified. It took you a long time to get rid of those people, and you faced $76,000 in outside resources to actually redo the work that they had done. Capabilities needed. You guys need somebody that's qualified, that's blockety blank, blockety block. Does that match what you need? Did I miss anything? Next steps. Based on what you told me, you're a perfect candidate for my exclusive programmer program. Whatever it is. Guys, when you send emails like that, it's very easy.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.